What if you cannot afford a good quality mic? The best free mic that you can use is the one that is built into your phone. Similar like the one I'm using for this video, I'm using my iPhone mic. I'm 2 to 3 feet away from the camera. There are many users their phone mic for YouTube audio. With the use of this free software, you can set the audio sounding like this to this. Let me show you in this video. When I say free software, it's not a clickbait. It's a free tool that is brought to you by Adobe. The best part is you don't even need an account to use it. You need to hit the link in the description below, which will directly take you to this tool. Well, what is this tool? This tool uses the AI to remove the noises from your voice recording and do the speech enhancement. So basically, it's a speech enhancer. It makes your audio sounds like that you have recorded that in a professional studio. If you have a decent voice recording and microphone, still you can use this tool to get the best out of it. First thing, open up whatever video editing software that you use to edit videos, and you're going to open that video and export the audio only. Make sure you export in MP3 or WAV file format. Once you export your audio, you're going to go to podcast.adobe.com/enhance or check out the link in the description. Drag the audio that you have exported from the video and then allow the tool to process it. It may take a couple of minutes. It depends on the size of the audio. But then it will allow you to download the audio file. Once downloaded, drag that file into your video editing software. Then replace the audio that was on the original video. Make sure it is aligned and then you mute or delete the old audio track. With this, you met with an incredible audio quality coming from whatever mic you are using. This is the audio that I have recorded in my bedroom, and this is how the audio sounds like.
This is the audio that I have recorded in my bedroom, and this is how the audio sounds like.
Now, some of the best practices that you can follow to get the best out of it. Number one is the consistent audio, because if you have too much other noises going on, it is going to be take those other noises into considerations, whether it is worth keeping those noises in or keeping those noises out. So the better audio you give this enhancer, the better output that you're going to get. So try to get closer to your microphone and give better audio. This audio enhancer will take care of the rest. So have fun with this tool and make sure your audio sounds better, because 50% of your video is your audio. So hit the like button if you like this video and comment down below if you have any question regarding this. And most importantly, don't forget to subscribe to my channel Tech Goku to get notified on our future videos. Thank you.